Is Notion AI the ultimate productivity tool, or is it trying to do too much? In 2025, everyone from solo founders to Fortune 500s is talking about the all-in-one workspace with a built-in second brain. But is it still helping us focus, or just making our to-do lists smarter than we are? Hi and welcome. Here we decode the real impact of AI tools shaping our work, creativity, and future. Today, we're zooming in on Notion AI, a tool that started as a minimalist note-taker but has now exploded into a full-blown operating system for productivity. It promises to help you write faster, think clearer, plan smarter, and never forget a thing. But as it piles on features, task tracking, meeting notes, strategy templates, summarization, even team wikis, some users are asking, is Notion still a tool, or is it becoming a job to manage the tool? Let's find out. What is Notion AI in 2025? Notion AI started as a simple assistant, helping users summarize notes and write faster. But in 2025, it's evolved into a powerhouse. It can now instantly summarize long documents, auto-generate action points from meetings, draft blog posts, emails, or product specs to organize your entire second brain based on context, extract key takeaways from your reading lists, translate ideas into structured databases and workflows, all in a single workspace. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a distributed team, Notion wants to be your daily dashboard for thinking, planning, and doing. What's actually working? Let's break down what users love about Notion AI. 1. Summarization and synthesis, perfect for students, managers, or researchers who need quick context from long content. 2. Meeting note automation. It listens, extracts action items, and links everything to your calendar or task board. 3. Modular templates. You can create project plans, marketing calendars, or even sales pipelines, all AI assisted. 4. AI-powered search. Instead of keyword hunting, you can ask, what did we decide about Q2 campaigns? And get a clear answer. People aren't just using Notion for notes anymore, they're using it to run entire operations. Where it starts to struggle, there's a flip side. Some users are feeling overwhelmed by the platform's complexity. It's no longer just a note app, it's a full system, and if you don't set it up right, it can feel like a digital junk drawer. Common complaints include too many templates. You spend more time tweaking workflows than doing work. Steep learning curve, especially for teams not used to modular systems. Information bloat. Easy to create, hard to curate, which means things get lost. Disconnection from thinking. You're working in Notion, but are you actually thinking? In short, Notion AI gives you power. But if you don't know how to wield it, it becomes clutter, fast. Who's using it best? Notion's sweet spot isn't everyone. It's solo creators and founders who need everything in one place, product managers who juggle multiple teams and tasks, remote-first teams who rely on asynchronous communication, content teams managing calendars, research, and output, students and academics streamlining research and writing. The best users treat Notion as a thinking partner, not a magic solution. They build small, stay organized, and use AI to enhance ideas, not generate filler. Competing tools, and how Notion stacks up. In 2025, Notion AI isn't alone. Here's how it compares to other AI productivity tools. Evernote AI, good for quick capture, not nearly as powerful in structured output. ClickUp with AI, strong for project tracking, but clunkier interface. Tana plus Mem, great at creating organic knowledge graphs, but less team-friendly. Motion AI, focused on calendar productivity, but doesn't replace Notion's versatility. Notion still wins on flexibility, but that's also its biggest risk. You can build almost anything, which means you can also build a mess. Is it worth the hype? So, is Notion AI the second brain it claims to be? Yes, if you're intentional about how you structure your space, you learn the core building blocks, you use AI as an assistant, not a crutch, you avoid the rabbit hole of infinite tweaks. But for some users, the growing complexity is turning it into the digital version of death by 1,000 dashboards. It's not about using more AI, it's about using it with purpose. Think of Notion AI like a workshop. It gives you the tools, but you still have to be the builder. Notion AI wants to be your second brain, but that doesn't mean you can shut your first one off. As these tools evolve, the winners will be those who design systems that think with them, not for them. Want more honest breakdowns of the AI tools shaping your future? Hit subscribe. And tomorrow, we're looking at something more visual: Midjourney versus Ideogram. Which AI art generator actually delivers on creativity in 2025?